Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Hint. In this video, we are going to learn how to set IAM roles for our EC2 instance. So firstly, I'm going to connect to my EC2 instance, and you can connect using SSH or you can connect using EC2 instance connection. So if you want to, I will use EC2 instance connect because it's just going to be in my web browser, and here you can see this is my instance with the name demo. And now I'm going to connect this instance. So firstly, you can see actions, so click on this actions and then click on this connect. And now you can see here connect to instance. So firstly instance id, then public IP address and username. So here I'm using Amazon Linux to AMI, that's why the username is EC2 hyphen user. Then if I scroll down, here you can see the connect. So click on this connect button. And here you can see here, we are EC2 user, and this is our private IP address. Here you can see this is our EC2 user at the rate, and this is our private IP address. And now you can do some Linux commands here. So this is just a Linux terminal available to you right now in the cloud. And now we are going to run some IAM commands here. And we are using Amazon Linux AMI right now. So here, firstly, clear the screen. And here if I run the AWS -- version. So you can see the version of AWS and you can see it is installed. So now clear the screen. And now run the commands like AWS IAM list of users. So run the command AWS IAM list -users. Now you can see here unable to locate credentials. You can configure credential by running AWS configure. So if we run the AWS configure here, AWS configure. So you can see it asking me AWS access key ID, AWS secret access key, then default region name, and then default output format and all. But this is bad idea. The reason is if we run AWS configure and enter our personal details onto this EC2 instance, then anyone in our account could again connect to our EC2 instance. So that's why here I'm going to use IAM role. So the solution is we are going to using IAM role. So now we are use IAM roles. For that, if you remember, we have created one role with the name sample role. You can see a sample role. So if I click on this, so here is my sample role for EC2 that had one policy attached called system administrator. And now we are going to attach one more policy. So click on this add permission, attach policies, and here search IAM, then read, then now here you can see IAM read only access. Now I'm going to attach this policy, and if I scroll down, click on attach policies. So you can see policy has been successfully attached to this sample role. So you can see in my sample role, there is two policies here, system administrator, and one more IAM read only access. So now we are going to attach this rule. So now, in this, there is, here you can see If I click on these instances and click on this demo and go to the security, and here you can see in IAM role. Here right now there is no IAM role right now onto our instance. So now we are going to attach IAM role here. So now click on this action and then security, then modify IAM role, and then search your role name. So my role name will be sample role, and now click on save. Successfully attach sample role to instance ID. So now let's check, and then go to the security, and here you can see sample role. So now here, now we are going to run AWS IAM list of users. Click on enter. So you can see the give us output of my list of users. So this is my user list in my AWS account. Now clear the screen, and as we can see, we did not run the command AWS configure. Here we simple run the command AWS IAM list of users, and they give us list of users. We did not run the AWS command. And now if I go to the IAM role, and here if I remove this read only access permission, delete, policy removed, you can see. And if I scroll down, here you can see there is no any read only policy. Now let's check. Now run the AWS IAM list -users. Now you can see they give us error and occurred when calling the list of users operation user and so on. Now let's attach policy here. Click on add permission, attach policies, then search our policy IAM attach policies. Now let's run the command. You can see the list of users they give us. Now clear the screen. So this is how we provide AWS credentials to our EC2 instance. So in this video, we have learned IAM policy, that means how to set IAM roles for our EC2 instance. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.